An Uber driver found a $40,000 engagement ring in his back seat. He could have sold it. No questions asked. Instead, he spent his own gas money driving across the entire city to return it. The couple was devastated when they realized the ring was missing. It was a family heirloom passed down through 3 generations. When he showed up at their door with the ring, they couldn't believe it. They posted his story on social media that night. By morning, his phone was buzzing with hundreds of ride requests. Everyone wanted to ride with the honest driver. The demand was so high, he hired his first employee within a month. 6 months later, he had 5 cars and his own transportation company. People asked him if he ever regretted not selling the ring. He said, "That ring was worth $40,000, but my reputation, that's worth everything." One honest choice built an empire, not because good deeds always pay off, but because integrity creates opportunities that money can't buy.